how to make automatic sugarcane farm in Minecraft. So first, just destroy 7 blocks in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once that's done, just destroy the midpoint. So like right here. Then just put a chest on that. Once that's done, just get the hopper, click on Shift on your keyboard and put it right beside that chest. And just do it along on the other blocks as well. Then after that, get your mud and click on Shift again to put it on top of the hopper. Shift, then right click, just like so, and just do it like that till you reach the end. Then just put your building block on both sides. So I have mine right here. Once that's done, just build up the sides right here. So leave a row to place the water in. So let's do it like that. As you can see, it should be looking like that. Now put the water in the middle part that we did earlier, just like so. Then we're gonna put our sugarcane here on the mud that we created, just like so. Now place some blocks just behind the sugarcanes. We're gonna place it right here. Now place some pistons on top of those blocks, so it should be facing the sugarcane right here. Now once that's done, we're gonna put some observers on top of it, so the face should be facing right here on where the sugarcane is. So just like so. Now just get some redstones and just put on the back. So first build some blocks, then put some redstones, just like so. Now we're just gonna make a wall to basically fill this up. So better use a glass wall so that you could still see what is happening here. So just build it up all around. So it should be looking like this. Place one for the chest. Then get your glass wall, put it like that. Then an up like this. Just like so. So that should basically do the trick. Now once that's done, just gonna put one here also. And once it's done, when I put some sugar canes right here, and if it grows tall, let's say like that, as you can see, it will automatically destroy it. And then we go to our chest. As you can see, it will go to the chest inventory. And so I basically make an automatic sugarcane farm in Minecraft.